Hello and welcome everyone to Diecast Beast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a special video. So as you can see, we bought a new travel partner to our house. So DJI Mavic Air flying mode combo. So I thought to have a few Hot Wheels with this one because my channel is totally about the cars. Alright, so today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video of this beast. Actually, this was me and my wife's dream to buy because we love traveling. We do a lot of traveling, and so finally it's here. All right. So first I will talk about the package. So this is the Australian version. I bought this from Harvey Norman. So as you can see, this thing comes with 3 color variations: Arctic White, Flame Red, Onyx Black. So this one, unfortunately, I was going to buy the red one, but it was out of stock. So I bought the Arctic White one. I don't like black things. All right. So there you go. This is the price in Australia. $1,598. 18 plus. Made for iPhone. Made for iPhone X, iPhone 7, all the iPhones. And obviously it should support all the Android phones as well. Yep, made in Germany, is it? Oh no, obviously made in China. So the mother company is in Germany, I think. Alright, this side is the compact mode. What is this? All the barcodes and stuff, and it says Arctic White. Plain base. Alright, let's open this one. I forgot to tell you, this thing, DJI Mavic Air, comes with a 12 months warranty, factory warranty from DJI. And if you guys buying this one from Harvey Norman, you can extend your warranty lifetime, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years extra. So you have to pay like extra $100, but it's like a replacement warranty. If you guys if this thing something wrong, when something wrong, you can just go and give this to Harvey Norman and buy a brand new Mavic Air or a newer model. All right, let's open this one. Right, let's go. All right, there you go. We'll open this one. All right, this is, I assume, the DJI Mavic Air is inside this casing. Bag. That's this one. Should be something out here. That's it from the box. There you go. First things first. All right, this is what is this? All right, this is the flying with control. This thing is given by the Civil Aviation Authority of New Zealand and Australia. And this is the New Zealand one. This is the Australian one, flying with control. So this thing has all the guidelines. How do you fly? What's the limitations you have to fly? As you can see, if you are in the control airspace which covers most Australian cities, you must not fly higher than 400 feet, 120 meters. So do not do this, otherwise you'll get huge fines from Australia. So all the Australian knows how good is the fines, how good are the fines in Australia. So please don't do this. Read this one first. Go away. Then we come to all the booklets. So this is the standard stuff: Mavicair, propeller guide, battery charging hub, top power adapter, everything. But as you guys know, no one reads this stuff these days. Just watch a YouTube video that will be more helpful than this one. Bam. Alright. These are the other stuff came with this one. I assume this is alright. I'll come to this one later. Alright, DJI support. Water damage, free shipping. Alright. Some data again. Alright. We'll open this one now. Whoa. Look who's here. So this is the DJI Mavic Air. So previously I have seen DJI Mavic Pro. That is way bigger than this one. This is, you can see it's exactly your palm size. So you can take anywhere when you're hiking, when you're climbing somewhere, when you're traveling. It's very easy to carry with you. So see, this is the Arctic white color. So if the other colors are coming like red colors on top or the black on top. All right, we'll leave it here at the moment and we'll go to the bag. All right, this is the bag DJI provides us. It looks very handy. Let's open this one. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, Mavic Air shoulder bag. One, two, what else we got here? Oh, so many stuff. What else? Alright, talking about the bag, it is very cool, very handy bag. So you can see there are a few more separators inside the bag. So, and you can adjust as you want, and it has a very handy storage space on the front side and as well as in the back side. Yeah, very cool bag, eh? Alright. And DJI Mavic Air combo package comes with 2 extra batteries. So this is the 2 extra batteries, and there's another battery fixed to the drone at the moment. So overall I got 3 batteries. That's very good because the air time of this one is 21 minutes, which is a bit lesser than Mavic Pro at the moment. Mavic Pro has 27 minutes air time. Alright, let's keep it separate. This is your charging cables. This is your, what is this? Alright, this is your USB adapter. It's pretty cool. So you can see the DJI logo over there. And this is your charger, I assume. Yes, yep. So there you go. It has 4 separate adapters to charge your batteries, so you can charge 4 batteries at once. Neat product, huh? Alright, and this is your remote control. How good is this? Alright, so don't panic if you didn't see your joysticks over here. I think joysticks are, where's the other joysticks? This is the signal meter. So alright, we'll remove this one. Alright, alright, see, here you got your joystick, so you can remove this one and fix into this 2 screws. And this is the phone holder, and the main difference with the Mavic Pro is Mavic Pro has a small LED screen over here, so in that you can see all the battery powers and all the other details in Mavic Pro. But in Mavic Air you need to have your phone all the time, which is it's pretty cool one because of the size and all the limitations. So all right, what's inside this one? What is this? All right, these are the propellers. So you need to fix all these propellers to your Mavic Pro, and actually I think you get extra 4 propellers as well, which is pretty cool. And all the USB cables and the adapters, and another adapter. Yep, USB. Awesome. So we come to the Mavic Air. So you have to well, I need some time with this one. Let's see. First we have to remove all this plastic stuff, remove the cover. One, bang. Oops. Alright, remove that one. Is there any more? Yes, there are more. Right, let's see typing on. So let's see. Alright. Let's try now. Is it happening? Alright, first you have to release these ones. Alright, there you go. It's the other side. Alright, and don't forget to flip these ones out. Alright, and there you go. And see, in your DJI Mavic Pro you have a separate bubble sort of a cover to your camera, but in this case it's inbuilt. So as you can see, it's inbuilt, so there's no cover on it, but the camera is automatically protected by this small thing. It's pretty cool, is it? So this thing got 2 sensors over here, 2 sensors back there, which is not in Mavic Pro. Mavic Pro got only the front sensor, so this one is pretty handy with the new technology and everything. And here's the power on button, which is I am not planning to do at this moment. Alright, it's not that heavy as well, so it's pretty easy to carry with you. Beauty. Alright guys, that's it for the moment. So I need to clean up everything and just study a bit more and put my batteries into charge. And this evening I'm planning to do a test run with this one. Yep, and I will give you more information after I try this one. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you guys with another awesome videos. Thank you. Bye.